Okay, so tomorrow you have a quiz. The quiz is only going to cover what's in R5, but not all of R5. It's only going to cover the multiplying, dividing, and adding and subtraction of rational expressions. So on Friday, I told you to go back, maybe review and go back and redo some of the even problems that we didn't do for homework. On Friday, I posted the even problems with the even solutions for the adding and subtracting. Then this weekend, I posted a quiz review. And on the quiz review, looks like this. This is the quiz review that is posted on Canvas in the module. The beginning page has the problems, and then below it has the solutions. So tomorrow's quiz will look like this. You will have multiplication problems, division problems, adding and subtracting problems. There will be 10 questions on the quiz tomorrow. You will have the entire class period to take the quiz, and then your homework tomorrow night will be the complex fraction, which is what I'm teaching today. So tonight your only homework is to study for this quiz. You need to take your time, show all the steps, because one bad sign and it's going to mess you up. So you're going to be factoring, and then you're going to be looking for things to cancel out or to simplify when you're multiplying and dividing. Remember, when you divide rational expressions, you need to do a keep, flip, change, or a keep, change, change. Remember, you're flipping the second rational expression upside down. You're making it the reciprocal. Okay, everything must be factored first. Don't try to cancel things until after you've factored. And then you can multiply or divide. And then when you're adding and subtracting, remember you're looking for a common denominator. Okay, then on Wednesday, after the quiz, so Tuesday is the quiz. Wednesday, we will continue on with section R6. And then on Friday, we'll finish it up with R7. And that will finish up our chapter here. All right, so quiz tomorrow, 10 questions, multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. And again, the quiz review is on Canvas. I will be available after school today to answer any questions about this quiz review.